So one thing to think about when you're building a home is what's my clear height, where's my header at for my garage door, and then what are my garage ceiling heights. We've got a 9-foot header here. Typically you'll see 8 foot or something like that. And then we've got 10-foot ceilings in the garage. So plenty of space for storage, plenty of clearance to get a truck in or anything like that. After all, we are in Texas. And then they'll be able to either even hang some storage from this garage ceiling or put shelves all the way up and really get things up and out of the way.